If you are the owner of a British Shorthair cat or are considering getting one, you need to take a look at the health diseases that this breed may have. Health issues such as obesity, dental and kidney diseases can affect the breed. Although they require minimal exercise, you must provide them with the right amount of food so that they won't gain any weight. We will give you a quick guide about the British Shorthair's general health. You'll find everything you need to know about this beautiful breed. Health problems of British Shorthair cats. This breed of cat is invulnerable to some diseases. However, those diseases that they can get may prove fatal. Let's discuss them one by one. Let's start with dental disease. Dental disease in British Shorthair cats starts with the food residue. The food particles harden into tartar that build up on the visible parts of the teeth of your Shorthair. You can prevent dental disease from occurring by removing the food residue regularly. Its treatment can be stressful for your cat and expensive for you, so preventative care is the best option. Let's move on to infections. So, bacterial and viral infections can harm British Shorthair cats. The risk of your cat contracting these infections is quite high. Vaccinations are highly recommended for this breed of cat. All of these infections are preventable if vaccination is given early during the young years of the cat's life. The next health problem is parasites. Fleas and ticks may infest the skin and ears of your British Shorthair cat. Hookworms, roundworms and heartworms, and also sometimes whipworms, can get inside of the cat in many ways. With a fecal exam, many types of parasites can be detected. In terms of health problems, you should also consider spaying or neutering your cat. You should make sure that you should spay or neuter your cat if you are not planning to breed the cat. The ovaries and the uterus are removed through surgery. It decreases the likelihood of particular types of cancer and also eliminates the possibility of your pet becoming pregnant. Now let's discuss some other problems that British Shorthair cats can face. Let's start by discussing cataracts. Cataracts in older British Shorthairs are a common cause of blindness. An option may be surgery to remove cataracts and restore the sight of the cat. Most cats adapt well to losing their vision gradually and still get along well in life. There are two more main problems that a British Shorthair cat might face in life. The first being heart disease. In most cases, British Shorthair cats are prone to heart disease. It is important to catch the signs early. This breed can hide the disease and make it difficult for the owner to spot the symptoms. Rapid breathing and a poor appetite are the first things that you should look out for. It's worth noting that not every British Shorthair cat will get this, however it has been known to be likely in this breed of cat. The second problem is polycystic kidney disease. A defective gene in the British Shorthair cat can cause polycystic kidney disease. The kittens affected by this disease are born with minuscule cysts inside of their kidneys and sometimes in the liver. This disease has no cure, although the process can be slowed through proper diet and medication. So now you might be wondering what the likelihood of a British Shorthair cat experiencing these kind of health problems are. We're going to try and put your mind at rest, as not every cat will experience any of these problems. A lot of British Shorthair cats go on their day-to-day life without any health concerns until the point where they reach older age. So let's go through the health problems one by one, have a look at the likelihood and what you should look out for when detecting whether or not your cat may be ill. So, dental disease can happen to any cat breed. When the signs of dental disease occur, it may include drooling, sometimes with blood-stained saliva. Some cats will lash out at their food because eating causes them pain. When that happens, visit a vet clinic to help your cat get better. If your British Shorthair cat is suffering from parasites attacking them, the cat may experience diarrhea, or you may notice that their fur becomes dull. When these symptoms show, you should take your British Shorthair cat to a vet. It may also be having a hard time and struggling to relax as a result of these infestations. If your cat is suffering from an infection, a persistent cough may be the most common symptom that your British Shorthair cat will show. It is going to have some breathing problems. Your cat will start breathing with an open mouth and it may lose some weight. When you see an infection and they start vomiting, do not waste any time when taking your cat to a vet to make sure that the infection is taken care of. In terms of cataracts, your British Shorthair cat will develop a cataract over time. You will be able to observe the slight cloudiness or milkiness in the cat's pupil. It typically restricts their vision to being blurry and leads to complete blindness eventually. British Shorthair cats develop cataracts when they get older. When it comes to heart disease and kidney disease, thankfully, typically a British Shorthair cat will not experience any of these problems. However, a few unlucky few may experience these types of diseases and need to be treated accordingly. So now we're going to take a look at some anticipated vet bills that you may find yourself paying as a result of a British Shorthair cat experiencing any of these health conditions. Please be aware that these costs will vary depending on your local vet and also which country of residence you are in. So in terms of neutering or spaying, it is usually a low-cost procedure. These procedures take place at a vet and generally cost between £25 and £60, depending on additional requirements such as initial vet treatment costs, extra costs for additional help for the cat to be put to sleep, and also any additional fees or services that your vet may charge you for any kind of surgery. For dental problems, these problems do vary, but if your cat requires any kind of tooth extraction, the costs can be quite significant, ranging between £200 to up to £1,000 depending on the type of problem that your cat has, how many teeth need to be rectified, and how bad the problem has got. In reference to any specific disease that a British Shorthair cat may contract, the vet bills can vary significantly. So whilst there isn't a specific price that we can allow to put on this video, you would be needing to contact your local vet to try and find out what the cost would be should a problem occur, so you can get a rough idea as to whether or not cat insurance would be best for you. When moving on to cataracts, unfortunately this is one of the most expensive procedures apart from the diseases that we've mentioned, such as heart disease or kidney disease. If your cat does require cataract surgery, it can vary between £1,150 and up to £4,000 per eye, depending on the condition, the length of the surgery, and any additional requirements that your cat has in order to try and get them to good health. Whilst this problem is rare for British Shorthair cats, the illness can be prevalent in blue-eyed Shorthair cats. If you have any specific questions regarding the health problems that we've discussed, please leave them in the comments down below. Apart from that, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting videos like this by pressing the like button and subscribe. Please like the video if you found this helpful, and if you click the bell icon and turn on notifications, then you will immediately see our new videos each week. Please click on the video on the left to watch more about keeping British Shorthair cats indoors. You can also click on the video on the right to see more about British Shorthair cats being great family-friendly pets.